Hi, I'm Dean Dyer, and I'll be your instructor for this How to Make a Swimsuit Pattern class. I'm going to show you how I make a swimsuit pattern for a one-piece and a two-piece, and in the class I show you how I install elastic and sew the swimsuit together. I've been sewing and making patterns for many years, and I've made most sportswear. In the 80s it was called aerobic wear, and I've made leggings and swimsuits and dresses for the private sector. And in this class I'll show you many techniques and shortcuts that I have developed over the last 30 years in the fashion industry. And I'll show you stretch factorization and folding for stretch. These things you don't necessarily learn in computer-aided drafting. I'm going to show you how to make your own swimsuit pattern that you don't have to download or print out or buy on the internet, that fits you and your body. And I'll show you how to make a master template that you can use to design all of the swimsuits that you're going to make, and they will fit you all the time with a ruler and a pencil. You will learn how to make a top bodice pattern that we will draft, cut out, assemble, and fit and adjust, and you'll use that template to draft the swimsuit of your dreams. I'm very excited that you're taking this class. In the next video, we're going to begin to draft our front bodice that we're going to use to make our master swimsuit template. And in the bonus video, I'll show you how to make a two-piece bikini in just a few measurements. We'll make it very quickly. I'll see you in the next video.